So today's class is about the sectoral analysis. I think the last part of the second unit, if we complete all these things, we are able to complete 2 units. So in your LMS, I have already shared with you skill sector. One graph is there. Then how the sectoral analysis is done. I have shared that one. Same thing in conceptual side, you can go through that one. Same thing we are going to discuss in a different method. Only thing I am going to give some examples for that one. Skill sector analysis is there. Make in India sectors are there. There are different type of sectors in Indian case. So we are going to discuss the sectors which are common in Make in India scheme, Skill Sector Council, then Government of India. Based upon these 3 sectors, I identified few sectors in which you can do business. That sectors I identified, and today 2 hours we are going to discuss all the different type of sectors. Then we are going to discuss how we can analyze the sectors also. There are some techniques available. So for you techniques, it is only in the form of theory, not in problem. So you need not worry about that one. Only theoretical one we are going to discuss. Okay. So the purpose of today's class is, so far you have identified the idea where we can use this idea, in which sector we can use this idea, whether we can use this idea for particular sector. Sector in the sense, tourism is one sector, agriculture is one sector, like that. These are all called sectors. In which area you are going to use your ideas. That is the thing you must know. Since you have selected that one. Okay. Let us start with the interesting news, what I already shared with you.
So our startup is gonna classified in different sectors.
Yes. Startup is going to be classified in different sectors. In which sector you are going to do the business. That is what we are going to discuss.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, good. Very good interaction. Likewise, I expect some interaction because we are having 2 hours, you know. Good. So here you can see recent news I have seen yesterday only. So I have shared today morning with you. Even Google, they are going to fund some of the entrepreneurs. An interesting thing, Google identified the potential entrepreneurs in different sectors, and they are going to fund these entrepreneurs. The venture here means their business. You can see that one recently Google announced that 20 new Indian startup has been funded by it. See that news, very interesting thing. Out of that, one sector is from agriculture. Another one, in case of local, they classified one area into local. In agriculture, you know, that is one group of students created an app for agriculturists in regional language. They identified 28 languages in India, not only 16 languages. They identified 28 languages. Even Marathi, they divided into 3. See that one. And Bengali, they divided into 2. Hindi, there are 8 methods. They bring all these things into an app which is beneficial to the farmers supply chain. They created a very good business, and it has been sanctioned and funded by the Google. Likewise, another group, especially for journalism student, it will be helpful. A group of students joined together, they created a local, one of the app oriented business. It is business in the sense only supplying the news. Local area within Bangalore, Bangalore North, Bangalore East. They created the app in a local language, same thing, including English also. English is common. And they are giving the local news immediately along with some advertisements, plus the local people what they used to prefer, what are the local advertisements. They created a very good app plus their business. Income they are going to generate from the advertisement plus some of the external agencies news also they are going to generate the funds. Very good thing. See that idea, this idea make them, and they ask the funding from Google. Google already sanctioned it. And now they are in the business. See that one, why I am telling this story. The idea is different. Here in case of local, it is only an app. A technology is acting as a platform. What they are giving, their idea is to generate income by uplifting the rural people. That is their vision. They made it success with the help of the technology. And what they are doing, I came to know that in case of Mysore, it is working well. And what are all the news relating to Mysore they are giving, and what are all the shops they are giving more discount. Only that advertisement will come, and the government announcement, especially in case of COVID announcement or any other news, including public distribution system, all these things they are giving, so that the local people, they can open that one and they can see what is happening in and around. In case of Erode district in Tamil Nadu, they introduced, that is, I think that group is from Mysore area, so nearby Tamil Nadu district is Erode. They introduced that one. It is made very successful. Recently, we have gone through that app also. See that one, their vision has been achieved. They are also getting the income. The sector they identified is journalism. Now you must know the meaning of sector. I have given this news to know the meaning of sector. The idea, vision, mission we have studied. The vision is to uplift the rural people. They are using the technology as the platform. Their business model is getting income through the advertisements. That too from the local people, they are going to get the advertisements. And very interesting thing, for that one, they depends upon the technology. They selected journalism as their sector. Be clear. The local is the name of their venture. Local is the name of their venture. Their vision, how they are going to uplift. The technology they are using is the app. The sector is journalism. Be clear. Same thing in case of another one funded by the Google. They mentioned that agriculture sector. This app is meant for the Bharat Agri. They wish to uplift the agriculture people. So that is their vision. But they created in the technology plus normal platform. What they have to do, everything, they created that one. So they are using the technology, but their sector is agriculture. So you must know what is the meaning of this sector. Sector is a very wide one. That is called a sector. Before you are going to start up your business, you must know, you are able to analyze this sector also. Then only we can move. Here, agriculture, everlasting. Whenever anything comes, we need agriculture. Without agriculture, we can't do anything. You might have seen number of businesses have been closed in COVID period, but agriculture is still going. We can't stop the agriculture. Another one here is journalism sector. See that one. The people identified very good business model in journalism. So this is the meaning of the sector. Based upon this news, you must know clearly the meaning of the sector. Another thing for your knowledge purpose, Google is now providing venture capital to you. If you are starting a new venture, Google is coming forward to start up anything based upon the technology platform. These two things you must know. Let us see the sectoral analysis. In case of India, India has been ranked as 130th country in the world. Before going to the sector, you must know some of the statistics because we are going to start the business in India. Assume like that. Even if you want to do a business outside, you can find any country with the help of World Bank rating. The World Bank is having one index called ease of doing business. If you go through that index, now India has been ranked 130. I think 1 week back they have introduced the another scheme. It may improve in future. Then very important, that is why we have selected India. It is ranked 130th country. That means 129 countries are far better. Anyhow, in 130th position we are. Then in case of India, we are having Making India 3C model scheme by the government of India. 3C model we will discuss, that is Make in India scheme, Startup India scheme. These are the best one. Then the Stand Up India. These are all classified into compliances, contract and capital. This is the government scheme. We will discuss same thing in 5th unit once again, how our government of India is supporting the entrepreneurs. Okay. Depending upon the sector, they are investing now. Then liberalized foreign direct investment rules. Now in case of India, the foreign direct investment is permitted up to 65% in major sector. In retail sector, 99%. That means from foreign countries, you can get the technology and you can invest in their name. What Amazon is doing. It is coming through the foreign direct investment, but they changed the name as Amazon India. Even the web portal, everything is different for India. They changed as Amazon India. This Amazon entered into India with the help of foreign direct investment scheme. So these are all the basic thing how the Indian government is supporting to the entrepreneurs. Before entering the sectors, see that one. Likewise, in case of India, the government is saying number of sectors here. See that one. Recently, 1,200 new startups, government of India permitted, permitted in B2C platform, that is business to commerce, consumers platform. And usually in case of India, in 3 segments only, more persons are coming to do the business. They mentioned that e-commerce, consumer services and aggregator. E-commerce, you know, Amazon. Consumer services, same thing like retail business. Then aggregators with the help of app. Agriculture, we are having app. Even in case of local news, we are having app. Ola, Oya, these are all called as aggregator services. They created a technology platform for this purpose. You know, in case of Bangalore only, it is ranked number 1 in startups throughout India. E-commerce is contributing to minimum 13 to 15% revenue. That is among the total business. Why we are discussing, you can think about doing in e-commerce, consumer services, that is retail business, 10 to 12%, they are having the market share. 10 to 12% means total number of startups they are coming. It is not relating to revenue. Nearly 10 to 12%. Aggregators using the app, you can see 9 to 11% they are entering into that business. Enterprise software, especially only for the software. Business process outsourcing, another 8% is coming. Hyper local business, a new concept. Hyper local Swiggy, very good example is Swiggy. You can sit in your home and ordering, which is combination of physical service plus app based service. Hyper local e-commerce, we used to call it as big. Amazon is also one type of hyper local nowadays, but Swiggy is doing a hyper local e-commerce. You can order through the online, you can sit in your home and you can do everything, but we have to depend upon the particular person physically to bring the food from a particular restaurant to your house. That is a hyper local thing, especially in case of tier 1 cities. They are doing a very good business and it is contributing around 10%. Then health technology, healthcare. Bioscience students may know about that one. In case of at present, due to that COVID, now most of the markets, they are ready to buy that oxiometers, infrared thermometers, even the machine to find out the BP, all these things also now moving in a very fast manner. Nowadays, family members in their home itself, they are having everything for checking the sugar, for checking their BP, even now temperature, oxygen level, everything. These product plus especially the healthcare product is also coming. So they are coming according to that one. A new industry, of course, they mentioned that a 8% growth in 2 months back, but recently they mentioned that it is having 28% growth. Same thing, education technology. Because of COVID, Zoom, Cisco, WebEx, Microsoft Team, all these are all coming. Most of the persons are coming to our campus and asking, sir, you can give at least one class for 1 week. You can use our platform for teaching. See that one, education technology is coming up every day. Here today morning I met 2 or 3 persons. I told, meet father, no sir. First you can recommend. I am not the authorized person, but you can see how much this education technology persons are marketing, aggressive marketing now to make their product. You can give one class for us, use our platform for teaching, you will know the result. But that is the mushrooming business nowadays using education technology. Then analytics, very good, we have discussed. Even the political parties, they are depending upon the analytics. Whether it is a ruling party or opposition party, by giving a brand name, they are depending to somebody else. We assume that, okay, only Prime Minister is giving a very good brand name, but we came to know that there is a separate team in our government doing the analytics work. How to brand the Prime Minister, how to brand the schemes of the government. Separate thing. We thought that it is information technology team, IT team. No, it is not like that. They call it as now analytics team. Why? They are analyzing this area. This is very popular. The people tendency is moving in this direction. If you want to change the people, you have to use this one. The suggestions are coming from analytics team. Very, very important thing is even politicians are using the analytics. Previously, I had that only business people. When I used to teach marketing without analytics, there is no marketing now. If you want to market a product, Social media is very important. Without social media, without Instagram, or even without Facebook, you can't market your product. So most of them are doing research in that area, and they are telling, okay, today this word is very popular, use that one. Analytics is now doing that one. And there are number of software people changed to analytics. It is considered as a separate sector. You might have seen in case of US presidential election, the analytics is playing the major role now. Then e-commerce enablers, IT service, very important thing. Then social platforms, of course, different social media is coming. Social platforms they are using for the purpose of raising the funds, crowdsourcing, crowdfunding. These are all the major sectors in which the government is saying that the startup is having mushrooming growth at present. But you, the people, only know clearly, because you are in a such age group, you are involving in social media, your mind is very good mind to decide. But this is the statistics. What they says that around 13% they are coming forward for the e-commerce like that. The healthcare sector is moving in a very fast. Education technology is moving very, very, very fast. Its growth is more than 200 times. So why we are studying? When you want to open your business, find out which sector is gaining more. That sector you can easily identify. That is the purpose. These are all the things given by the government. Let us see one by one the growth in each sector. First rank at present goes to, this is the ranking given by the Times Group. Of course, Hindustan Time is different. The sector only. So based upon that, as given the what are all the different sectors. Core sector we will discuss later on. That is at the end of the slide we will discuss. Because core sector at present is biotechnology only. More during this period, biotechnology as well as software is in very peak. I think here both students are there. Biotechnology students and software students are there. Your area is picking up at present. Maybe due to corona or due to any other reason, your sector is picking up. So it is, as per our analytics, this is the better time to start the business in biotechnology as well as in software. But the main area may be different. That is why we are going to have the ancillary sectors. First one is tourism. You can see, even now it is mentioned that India lacks trained professionals in the tourism. When foreigners are coming, we are unable to cope up with their ideas, why they are coming, what is the purpose. Since 2020, they are saying that the tourists, some professional peoples are not good in India. They are lying everything. I think you might have gone through the World Ethics Report. There is one report prepared by the World Bank for Ethics. They mentioned that in case of most of the Asian countries, not only in India, they are lying the foreign travelers. Whatever they are telling, it is a wrong one. But some of the organizations, they created a very good tourism area. I came to know that one of the group, Panikat Travels, you might have heard about that one. It is very famous in Delhi. Whenever I used to go to Delhi, I will depend upon Panikat Travels. The reason is their ethics has been ranked high. In case of India, it is the only one travel agency which the name comes in the World Bank ethics report under travel and tourism sector. The reason, they are highly professionals. They trained number of persons well. They never cheat anybody. That's what the World Bank report says, that one. So there are number of potentials available in that one. Has been mentioned that it is growing at the rate of 12.8%. The growth rate of tourism industry. I think few students are from Kerala, the God's own country. I think one student is from tourist place from Karnataka also. See that one, how the sector is moving. Of course, now due to COVID, we are facing a tough problem in tourism sector. But in future, they mentioned that once the corona moves out, we don't know when it is going to move out. The tourism sector is going to pick up with a huge revenue. That's what the report says. That it says that now the growth rate is 12.8% within a 1 year time. Based upon the COVID-19 issue, you can face a very good rate in tourism sector. Of course, India, we are constructing number of things for the purpose of tourism. And in tourism sector also, the core sector is coming. I already told, core sector is now only biotechnology and software. That is now called as the core sector. When I was studying, our faculty members used to teach in those days, if you want to do a business, do business in restaurant business, it will give very good income. And if you want to take risk more, you can invest in share market. Since I opted for BCom, they used to tell me, okay, if you want to be a very millionaire, billionaire, invest in stock market, it will give more income. But now I am teaching to you in a different manner. Go for biotechnology as well as the software. Because every sector, these two core sector is coming. You can see in travel, in tourism, online travel agency, OTA is more. That means only software people can do everything. That is why software is considered as the core sector now. In those days, we don't know about the software, but I am recommending you, software is essential. Software sector is mingled with everything. We are discussing the tourism, but you can see Make My Trip is depending upon the app. Yatra is depending upon the app. All these things, 360, Hoops, these are the travel agencies. They are having very good market share. The Make My Trip and Yatra, you can see, even during COVID pandemic, they are showing profit. I don't know how they are picking up. Because during this period, Make My Trip, they are giving importance for other area, like our Ola and Ubers. You can see that one. Every area, that is in OTA, then staying, hotel booking, vacation, light hotels. You can see the softwares are providing. Then tourism, only tourism, travel agents, travel triangle, we have discussed, very good initiative created by 6 students. Local activities experience, regional tourism, we have discussed on the other day, Trishur festival, how they make that one as a rural tourism. Local guide, especially in case of Jaipur, it is very famous, the local guides, because it is a city of palace. And now we need local guide for everywhere, even though there are apps. These local guides are now joining hands with the different apps. If you visit in Ahmedabad, in Gandhinagar, a new museum constructed, I think 3 or 4 years back. When we visit, we have to put like this, the headset, and you can enter into that one. You are able to hear what are all the things nearby, where we are going, GPS is linked, everything we are able to know. See that one, the software itself is acting as the local guide. like our Google map. That is how the core sector is contributing to travel and tourism. You will be very good in software, but you must know in which area you have to invest. Here in software, they are investing in travel and tourism. Then content development, community planning, trip management. Very nice. If you want to go to any country, now the trip 38 is providing very good service. I think last, yes, 2020 February, we visited Russia and nearby countries. I think some of you know, our faculty team. Trip 38 planned a very good manner. How to visit Kazakhstan, what are all the famous one, what are the different places there when you have to visit. Very good trip management they created. So whenever we entered into that particular place, everything is okay. We have to go for seeing a snowfall. Don't worry, immediately they gone through the weather report. Within 5 minutes they informed. If you want to enjoy the snowfall, use this type of dress. We will provide within 1 hour. You can visit this place. It is just 28 kilometers from this place. We went there. We enjoyed the snowfall. Of course, we feel very difficult because maybe due to my age. They are also telling that one. Another core sector, biotechnology, is following that area. They are clearly telling you have to maintain the temperature like that. Your pressure level should be like this. See that one, how this core sector, software plus to this biotech healthcare people, they mingled with travel and tourism, and they're giving very good trip. That is why your business should be in that manner. That is why we are discussing. Likewise, SaaS solution, entertainment in bus, very good area. Touring talkies, there is one side. They used to provide a customized one. You may be sitting here, neighbor, another person will be sitting here. He may prefer Tamil, you will prefer Kannada, another one prefer Malayalam. And they are giving a very good entertainment in the bus. They are used to organize games also. Very interesting thing. They selected, I think I can't know, when we used to travel from Delhi to Kazakhstan, that is Almaty, we used to travel. In that flight, they clearly given the entertainment also. They approached the touring talkies. We don't know what is touring talkies. Then what they given one song. The same song is available in Hindi, Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam also. We are seeing our face, you know Kannada, what is the song you are in? They are telling same music. Music by A.R. Rahman. Then only we know that how these people are managing tourism talkies. One of the airlines, that is from Russian Airlines, they only arranged everything, but you can see that one. They joined hands with touring talkies to entertain us in the flight for 5.5 hours journey. See that one. That is the core sector combined with the regional sector. That is why they ranked the travel and tourism as the first one, which is going to fetch more return for you. That's what they are telling. It ranked number 1. When you are thinking, think about all these things, whether we can have in the type of sectors. Second sector ranking now goes to automobile. Regional 1. Even during the pandemic period, there are no buses, no train. Most of them used for the two-wheelers to travel, even bicycle. I came to know that migrant workers. Even now, if you want to travel from here to Palakkad, you have to depend upon the rented cars. See that one, the automobile is gaining another momentum. Not only in the form of two-wheelers, four-wheelers, And the sector has shown the growth just in 4 months, an increase of 42%. That is the statistics they are given. 42% increase in automobile sector. That is services, automobile services. Once again, the core sector will come here. It is joined with software as well as the healthcare also. See that one. Dear students, you must know the sectoral analysis. This rank number second. In case of Bangalore, you might have seen how far these automobiles are coming. Book a car from my choice. We are having Zoom cars, number of things. Used car, of course, say one of the organization planned for a used car. Now suddenly the government mentioned yesterday that some of the used cars are banned in India. We can't use that one. But since there's an abnormal growth, but you know, even though there's a growth in automobile sector, the sale of cars has not been increased. But the leasing and rental of car has been increased. Nobody is now ready to buy a new car. Instead of that one, lease a new car for 3 months. Then breach the contract of lease. Then another 3 months, we can go for another model of car, a leasing thing. I think some of you might have done. I don't know. I have decided like that. Why I can sell my car and go for leasing now? Because maintaining these very old cars are very tough job. And some of them are approaching clearly. Leasing of cars, it is a very interesting thing. They are telling you can use our car, BMW car for 3 months, then you can change the brand. Another car we are ready to use this car for 3 months lease. See that one. And lease you need not keep in your home. In case of Bangalore, we can't have a very good place for parking. We will take care of that one. If you dial to that number or if you use that app, the car will come to you. Oh, you can use that driver. If you need not want to use the driver, don't worry. You can drive that car, pick up that one, see that one. How? The idea is coming. And most of them are using such type of thing. That is why there's a very good growth in automobile sector. You have to think, you are able to judge about all those things. Third one, these are everlasting. Public utility services. Without textiles, we can't do anything. Of course, during COVID period, some slow trend because everybody is caught up in your home. You are not going to prefer a different dresses. Even then, this growing. I came know that in last one of my class for our students in MBA, we insist that you should be present in dress code clearly. Suddenly we are able to see a different type of dresses. We permit to wear the t-shirts. See that one, different colors of t-shirts they used to wear and show. Because as per their one case study, we had that one. Like what we organized previous case study, wearing different hat. So once again, the textile sector. It is an everlasting sector. Everybody has to depend upon this type of textile one. Once again, in case of textile also now, most of the things are changing in 3D designing. Very important thing. You can see one of the entrepreneur coming with different versions of t-shirts. Design is very important now. Once upon a time, in case of t-shirts, only one design will be available, but now it is not like that. There's something different. You can think about such type of ideas. New things are coming. Even in the quality, the core technology, biotechnology is coming. They are telling organic cotton now. Wear this t-shirt because this t-shirt is prepared with the organic cotton. I think biotechnology students may agree. I don't know about that one. Okay. How they manufacture, I don't know. But they are telling organic cotton t-shirts. You can wear dress made up of organic cotton. How they are matching? The idea is important. They identified the sector as the textile. They wish to make their push wear such type of things. And the other group, they are thinking in a different type of design. I came to know that in case of silk saris, they introduced the organic silk saris, and it is very famous. Of course, this time, due to less marriages, we are unable to see. The girls may prefer to wear the organic silk saris. You know the cost? A sari cost rupees 50,000. I suddenly shocked. What is the cost? 50,000 organic silk saris. Girls are now thinking, I think so. For your marriage, you can think about that one. But some idea is coming. See that one. Organic silk sari. They mentioned that we are using blockchain to find out where the sari thread is coming. From the horticulture area, still weaving and manufacturing, we introduce the blockchain technology. See that one. These two core sector, now they are confusing to us, or whether they are giving exact one, I don't know. But they are telling, I visited the website also. One of the handloom sector, I think in Tamil Nadu, cooperative silks, we visited, they mentioned that these are all organic silk saris. Then how we will believe that you are supplying organic silk saris? They mentioned that we are depending upon a blockchain technology. Oh, we are unable to see what is blockchain technology. Oh, you can see in this link. Then we click that link and see that one from the manufacturing, still weaving, still coming to that place. They are creating a very good ledger. They used to call it as a ledger with the help of technology. And we are able to see clearly. They are given a unique identification number in the starting point where they are preparing all those things till the end of the weaving and coming to our place. They are telling immediately they used to enter. So in case of blockchain, we can't hide any information. And they're telling this is a ledger, blockchain ledger for this product. Go through that one, see that one, then you can buy. See that one. The sector is the textile, but the core sector, software, with the help of blockchain, they entered. Biotechnology people, they are saying that we are providing an organic sari for you for wearing. See that one. How the idea has been generated. If you can visit that, I think that name is Cooptex, Tamil Nadu Handloom. Visit that website, you can see a new idea has been created. That is why we are studying about the sectors. This is an everlasting one. Then the new thing, social ventures. Because of funding from different agencies, crowdfunding, even the government is permitting the social ventures now. You can go for creating a social entrepreneur. So the sector itself is called a social venturing sector. Many entrepreneurs are coming now to have their own ventureship in this area, especially providing very good education, maintaining the orphanage, supporting the kids, elderly people. I think some of you mentioned elderly people, very good. These type of things are coming because now we are having crowdfunding that is supported by the technology. If you want to do a social entrepreneurship is considered as one sector. So once again, you have to depend upon the software sector. They will create a crowdfunding platform so that you can raise the money for your social venture and do your venture, that one. And even in case of teaching, everything, you can see one of the entrepreneur Sahin Mistry, the founder of Kansa Foundation, Teach for India. This is another one for the venture. It not only gains and satisfying your vision, but also indirectly profitability also. Without profitability, we can't run, because in the beginning stages, money is very important. Without money, we can't do. The crowdfunding is there. So they are using that one. I think some of you have visited the Teach for India, how they identified the social entrepreneurship as the sector. Next, the core sector, that you know, software. In the software technology also, we are having the BPO, business process outsourcing. You can outsource to somebody, you can take the outsourcing work, but provided if you are working in big organization for 2 or 3 years, our MCA students, what they will do, they will work in Oracle for 2 or 3 years, because sensor will identify some of the organization. So you will work in Oracle for 3 years. Then after that, what you will do, you will clearly identify who are your clients. You will start your own business. That is the sectoral. Which sector? Core sector is software. Even the ancillary sector is also software. You are ready to provide the BPO services. Maybe now they used to call it as analytics also. The politicians are very much interested. Business people are very much interested in analytics. Even the journalism people, they are very much interested in analytics. They are only predicting about the election. I think I know one of my student, after completing BCom, he went to Loyola in Chennai for his further studies in journalism. Now one day I'm having a chance to meet him in Chennai. He mentioned how he is doing the work to predict who will be the next winner, who will be the next CM, who will be the next prime minister. Even they are doing a very good job for that student. The entire sponsorship is coming from the journalism sector. Now he is in a very good journalism, but see that one. He created an analytics network, online platform. With that one, he is identifying the behavior of the customers, behavior of the public, and he is doing the journalism work. He is giving that one as a freelancer to all the major newspaper. He used to call me, sir, have you read today's Bangalore Mirror? You can see in the second page my article. But I told, your name is not there. Sir, they won't put my name because we are doing the back office processing. He is selling the news by providing the analytics. He predict what will be the COVID situation after 2 months in Bangalore. He predicted that one. And since he is a freelancer, he created a very good analytics solution. And through that one, he prepared a very good infographics. And he is selling that news to the Bangalore Mirror. Dear students, the journalism students, it will be very good for you. You can think in that manner. Now these people are ready to buy the news also. Even though PTA is there, Press Trust of India is there. But now this is a new trend, buying the news, because every reporter is to say that we are the first to do that one. Journalism students may think about that one, how effectively we can use this type of analytics for you, bringing that one. And even for the government, they are doing that one. This is a software side sector. Then the course, one type of sector, some of you know, engineering sector, very old one, but gold one. It is still growing at the rate of 30%. Now they are going to rename as the hardware sector. Without hardware and software, we can't do anything. Same thing here, engineering goods. They are doing that one. If you are a very good engineer, Or if you want to recruit an engineer to do a business, join hands. Very old one, but gold one. Without these things, we can't survive in regular business. This runs somewhat public utility now. A manufacturing sector. You will see the example of Make in India. The Make in India scheme is targeting towards these engineering goods. You can see that one now the mechanical engineers are providing paid services also, consultancy services. Engineering students, they are now started doing this type of consultancy services. Even if you are not an engineer, you can create a platform to connect the engineers from different parts of the world to provide a very good service. Because the sector is increasing. New inventions are coming. New designs are coming. You can use that one. That is very important thing, because recently I came to note that designing a non-plastic bags, it is a challenge, like idea challenge. They created that one. Most of the engineers has identified. One of the students created a very good platform of networking all this person, and he gained a too much amount. This is a very good sector for business. Interesting sectors are now coming. This is a very interesting sector. Most of you may not know that one. Franchising. If you want to be a copycat entrepreneur, we have discussed the role of the copycat entrepreneurs. In such case, you can go for franchising. So this is a very interesting thing, franchising. You can use the idea of others, but you can run your business. Number of franchisings are coming. That is especially through the foreign direct investments. You can see all these things. Burger King, KFC. You can start KFC in your rural place. I can't know that one of the place in Andhra Pradesh, KFC is running in a small village also, very big manner. One of the person taken the franchise of KFC to run in his village. And first they assume that even KFC thinks that village people won't prefer KFC. But to his surprise, what happened? It is running successfully, and now that village name is coming out to the national and even the global newspapers. The reason they tell you what something is new, KFC, KFC. It is gaining momentum, more income than the urban area. It attracted nearby villages also. And these nearby villages are coming to KFC for that purpose. A franchising unit. Provided if you are very good in the business ventures, you can do that one. Of course, likewise, we are having the education and training. And one of the venture group, Village Capital, I think some of you know, they are taking the risk of educating the people. Even the Byju's is a very good example. School kids are now using that
Hello,
one.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Yes,
Uh,
come on.
Regarding franchising, sir, like how it is, sir, like your.
Yes, I think how to get the franchise you are asking.
Yes, sir.
Yes. In case of almost all the foreign direct investment, KFC, McDonald's, all these things, they are having one option. The owner will be given 50% income. Remaining 50% income goes to them in case of major. But small franchises are there. They are asking only 20% of the income. But if you want to go for taking McDonald's and KFC, income sharing is 50%. They will provide you all the equipments, and they will also be very clear with their suppliers. Even the designing work, they will take care. Investment, everything will be done by them. Even setting the shop, everything, they will fund you. Their engineers will come, they will design, and you have to manage the local advertisements. you have to manage the supplies. But supplies, they are having some equipment for quality testing. Only that one we have to use. You can buy supply, delivery, and advertisement only you have to take part. You can share the income with them 50-50%. They are having a very good agreement. You can even visit the website. In their website also they are clearly given. But you should be very careful because in case of McDonald's, KFC, they are having some policy, minimum distance. If one KFC is located here, minimum, I think 5 or 6 kilometers range is essential for the another franchise. That is doing well. Yes, are you satisfied?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, we can wind up. So the question for this first session is sector. Which sector you will invest, or if you want to do a business, mention the name of the sector for the first hour attendance. Attendance already taken, anyhow, you can answer that one. If you want to invest or do a business, which sector you'll invest. We are going to continue the sector also, so don't worry, try to mention that one. We'll meet by 3:30, okay? Thank you. Have a cup of coffee.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.